अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू द केयरिंग फॉर क्योर चैनल। आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी कि चैट जीपीटी कैसे यूज़ करना है। So this is a screen which will be open on your browsers. If you are not logged in, you have to click on the sign up. So after clicking the sign up, it will ask to create your account. If you have already email address, you can enter any email address on which you want to create your chat GPT account, or you can continue with the Google, the already saved email IDs. It will give you an option. So I'm selecting my personal email ID, which is already created on the chat GTP, and after linking with your Gmail, this window will be open. You can see that these are the examples how you can write your questions, and these are the capabilities. It is not giving you the full options. Remembers what users said earlier in the conversation, and these are the limitation or the precautionary measures which you have to note it down. So how to start? You can see there is a send a message is written, so you have to write your question. For instance, explain social control. So press enter. You can see it is generating the responses. There is an icon of stop generating. If you want to stop generating the responses, you can click on the button, otherwise it will give you a sufficient information. You read it out, all this statement what is giving, and these are the icons to like or dislike, or the comments. If you are not satisfied with this answer, you can click on the regenerate response. So let's see how it will be regenerated. Click on regenerate response, and then the response is regenerated with the different other statements. So on the it's asking, was this response better or worse? So you can click on that. It is it better than the previous one? You can give the certain remarks, or you even without remarks you can skip it. On the left side, you can say that whatever you have searched, these are all the today's explanations, and the previous 7 days, whatever you have searched, it is always available in your record. You can delete from the record, or you can even click on the edit option to give the different names to this particular content in order to remember that what you have generated. So if you want a new chat, a new question, so click on the new chat. It will give you a new option, or maybe you can write it in the another question, defined health. So that's a new response generating with respect to whatever you are asking. So after that, you can log out from the screen, and even you have the options to clear the conversation. When you click on the clear conversation, it is asking about confirm. You confirm, and all the conversation which was made till now are deleted. So after using this, you can just you can log out from this screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel to see the other videos related to different kinds of softwares. Thank you.